What if the next job AI replaces isn't a factory worker? What if it's your accountant, your lawyer, your marketing manager, or even your boss? For decades, Americans believed that white-collar jobs were the safest careers in the world. College degrees, office buildings, and six-figure salaries seemed to guarantee financial security. But in 2026, that belief is beginning to collapse. Artificial intelligence is no longer just replacing repetitive factory work. Today, AI writes reports, analyzes data, creates presentations, answers customer questions, designs advertisements, writes computer code, and even helps companies make business decisions. Millions of Americans are now asking one terrifying question: is my job next? For generations, parents gave their children simple advice: study hard, go to college, get an office job, build a career. This formula worked for decades. Factory jobs disappeared, but office workers remained protected. Technology was supposed to help employees become more productive. But artificial intelligence is different. AI doesn't simply help workers. In many cases, it performs the work itself. Only a few years ago, AI tools seemed like experiments. Today, they can write reports, analyze financial data, create presentations, generate marketing campaigns, write software code, translate languages, answer customer questions, and conduct research. Tasks that once required entire teams can now be completed in minutes. Companies quickly realized something important. AI doesn't take vacations. AI doesn't require health insurance. AI doesn't ask for raises. AI works 24 hours a day. For businesses trying to reduce costs, the technology became impossible to ignore. Customer service departments were among the first to change. Many companies replaced human representatives with AI systems. Marketing teams began using AI to write advertisements and social media content. Legal firms started using AI to review documents. Financial companies used AI to analyze data. Software companies began relying on AI coding assistants. Even executives started using AI to summarize reports and support decisions. Some companies discovered they could produce the same amount of work with fewer employees. That realization changed everything. Imagine Sarah, a marketing specialist in Chicago. She spent years building her career. She earned a degree, worked overtime, and climbed the corporate ladder. Then her company introduced AI tools. At first, management said the technology would simply help employees. But within months, AI could write emails, create advertisements, analyze customer data, and generate reports. Eventually, Sarah's team of 10 employees became a team of 5. Her job disappeared. Stories like Sarah's are becoming increasingly common across America. Businesses face rising wages, higher operating costs, economic uncertainty, and growing competition. AI offers companies something they desperately want: efficiency. A task that takes an employee 8 hours may take AI only 10 minutes. Companies see faster production, lower costs, and greater productivity. Investors reward businesses that improve profits. As a result, companies are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. The race has already begun, and no company wants to be left behind. Not every job faces the same risk. Jobs involving repetitive digital work are considered the most vulnerable. These include data entry specialists, administrative assistants, customer support agents, junior accountants, legal researchers, entry-level programmers, marketing assistants, and report analysts. If a job involves processing information repeatedly, AI can often perform it faster. However, jobs requiring creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, negotiation, and human relationships remain difficult to automate. Teachers, nurses, managers, entrepreneurs, sales professionals, and skilled trades still depend heavily on human interaction. The future workplace may look very different. Workers who understand AI could become more valuable. Instead of competing against AI, they may work alongside it. Employees who can use AI tools, interpret AI results, make strategic decisions, lead teams, and solve complex problems may become the winners of the new economy. The most valuable workers may not be those who know the most. They may be the people who learn the fastest. Adaptability could become the most important career skill of the future. Job loss is not only financial, it is emotional. Many Americans connect their identity to their careers. When jobs disappear, people often experience fear, stress, anxiety, and uncertainty. Some workers wonder if years of education were wasted. Others fear they cannot compete against technology. But every technological revolution has also created new opportunities. The internet eliminated some jobs, but it created millions of others. The same may happen with artificial intelligence. AI is already creating entirely new careers. Prompt engineers, AI consultants, automation specialists, AI trainers, cybersecurity experts, data specialists, technology educators. Businesses need people who understand both humans and machines. The future workforce may not be smaller. It may simply be different. Those who adapt early could benefit the most. The reality is clear. Artificial intelligence is not coming. It has already arrived. Workers can prepare by learning AI tools, developing communication skills, building creativity, improving leadership abilities, continuing education, and staying adaptable. The people who embrace change may discover opportunities that previous generations never imagined. For decades, white-collar workers believed their careers were protected. Today, that protection is disappearing. Artificial intelligence is transforming offices across America. Some jobs will disappear. Some jobs will change. New jobs will emerge. The biggest question is not whether AI will affect your career. The real question is this: will you adapt before the future arrives? Because the future of work isn't 10 years away. It's already here. And millions of Americans are living through it right now. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more stories about money, careers, and the future of the American economy. Because understanding the future may be the most valuable investment you ever make.